Hey, Taylor, how are you?
Hi, Alex. I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm doing well. Just enjoying this sunny day in my book. What brings you to the park?
Just taking my dog, Max, for a walk. He loves the park.
He's a cute dog. What breed is he?
Thanks. He's a golden retriever. He's very friendly.
I can see that. Do you come to the park often?
Yes, almost every day. Max needs his exercise, and it's a good place for him to play.
That's nice. I love the park too. It's peaceful, and I like watching the birds.
Me too. Oh, did you see the new playground they built over there?
No, I haven't. Is it good?
Yes, it's really colorful and has a lot of fun equipment. My niece loves it.
That's great. Maybe I'll take my little brother there sometime.
You should. Kids really seem to enjoy it. By the way, what book are you reading?
It's a mystery novel called The Silent Shadows. It's really interesting.
Sounds exciting. I love mystery novels. Can you lend it to me when you're done?
Of course. I think you'll like it.
Thanks, Alex. I'll look forward to it. Well, I should keep moving. Max gets restless if we stop for too long.
No problem. It was good seeing you, Taylor. Have a great walk with Max.
Thanks. Have a great day, Alex. See you soon.
Bye, Taylor. Bye, Max.
Hey, Jamie. Good morning.
Morning, Casey. How are you today?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm feeling great. Just starting my day with some coffee.
Sounds good. Do you come here often?
Yes, almost every morning. They make the best coffee here.
I agree. Can I join you?
Of course. Have a seat.
Thanks. What are your plans for today?
Not much. I'll go to the library later. I love reading.
That's nice. I'm going to the market after this. I need some fresh vegetables.
Oh, are you cooking something special?
Yes, I'm trying a new salad recipe tonight.
Sounds healthy and delicious. You must be a good cook.
I try my best. What kind of books do you like?
I like adventure stories. They're so exciting.
That's cool. I like romance novels. They're so sweet.
Everyone has different tastes, right?
True. By the way, have you visited the new museum downtown?
No, not yet. Is it good?
It's amazing. There are beautiful paintings. You should go.
I'll definitely check it out. Thanks for the recommendation.
You're welcome. And if you like, we can go together next weekend.
That sounds fun. Let's do it.
Great. We can make a day of it.
Perfect. Well, I should get going to the library now.
All right. It was nice chatting with you, Jamie.
You too, Casey. Have a good day at the market. Bye, Casey.
Thanks. Enjoy your reading. See you soon.
Hello, Sam.
Oh, hi, Mia. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm doing well. Just picking some fruit for the week.
That's nice. Apples are so tasty.
Yes, they are. I'd love eating them in the morning.
Me too. What else are you buying today?
I need some milk, bread, and eggs. Basic stuff. How about you?
I'm here for some vegetables and maybe some chocolate.
Chocolate is always a good choice.
I agree. It's my little treat.
Everyone needs a treat sometimes. By the way, have you tried these oranges?
No, I haven't. Are they good?
Very sweet. I had them last week.
Well, I should continue my shopping. Have a great day. Thanks.
You too. And good luck with the chocolate.